In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully add a button or link to upload a file and then link directly to that file's URL. To begin with, let's make sure you're in the right place, whether you're creating a website, building a digital portfolio, or working on an application. The ability to allow users to upload files and easily access them through a link is an essential skill. First, let's talk about adding the button or link that will serve as the upload mechanism. This button is crucial because it's the starting point for users to engage with the uploading feature. If you're using a platform or a web editor, you'll usually find a feature to add a button within the user interface. Drag this button to the desired spot on your page or screen. Make sure it's visible and easily accessible for users. It should have a clear and descriptive label like upload file here, so users understand its function immediately. Next, once the button is placed, you need to configure it to perform the upload action. This involves attaching an upload function to your button. Depending on the tool or platform you're using, this could mean linking it to a file input element in HTML or setting up a function in JavaScript that triggers a file upload process. Be sure that the button is correctly linked to an upload mechanism. Without this, your button won't do anything when clicked. Test this by trying to upload a file yourself to ensure everything functions as expected. Now that we have our file successfully uploaded, the next step is to get the link to the file's URL. This is crucial because it allows anyone who uploads a file to access it later through a direct link. Many web platforms will automatically generate a URL for the file once uploaded. Make sure you know where to find this URL after the file upload has been successful. You may need to check a file manager or a specified cloud storage location, depending on where your files are being sent. Finally, it's time to integrate this URL into your site or project. You will need to provide this URL either by displaying it directly on the interface or sending it via an email confirmation to the user, allowing them to click the link and access the uploaded file. Embed it in a hyperlink with appropriate instructions if necessary, so users know exactly what to expect when clicking on it. And there you have it. That's how you can add a functional button for users to upload files and retrieve a link directly to that file's URL. Remember, practice makes perfect. Work through these steps a few times and soon, integrating file uploads and URL links will become second nature. Thank you for watching and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.